Hello there. Today I will be presenting the voting and funds smart contract. So basically, this contract manages funds and voting within a centralized system. It includes functionalities for depositing, withdrawing, voting, and taking and repaying loans. So I will be walk you through the code step by step. So initially, here is the contract declaration. So this line specifies the license type and the solidity compiler version used for the smart contract. After that, there is a contract declarations. So I have defined a contract named as voting and funds, which will include all the functionalities related to voting and funds management. After that, there are two state variables here. Uh, so here owner is a state variable that stores the address of the contract owner who is the allowed to withdraw funds. After that is the balance variable which keeps a track of the contract's total balance. After that there are five events. So basically these events are used to log inputs actions like deposit and withdrawing, log funds transaction was casted, logs is used for log voting actions. So after that log log taken is used to log the loan details, and loan repaid is used to log loan repayments. So after that there is a structures and mapping. So the basically the structure the voter structure holds information about each voter's status and their votes. So the voters mapping associate the address with the voting status. So the votes mapping keeps track of the number of the votes and each candidate has received. After that the loan mapping tracks the loan amount owned by each address. So after that there is a constant. So this constant defines the interest rate of loan set as 5%. So there is a after that there is a constructor which is payable. So this constructor sets the contract deployer as the owner and initialize the contract balance with the deployed value. So the payable keywords allows the constructor to receive ethers during the payments. After that there are several functions. So firstly start with the get balance function. So this function allows anyone to view the current balance of the contract. After that there is a deposit function. So deposit function allows users to add ether to the contract. It requires the deposit amount to be greater than 0 and updates the contract balance accordingly, emitting a deposit event. So after that there is a withdraw function. So basically this withdraw function allows only the owner to withdraw funds from the contract. It checks if the balance is sufficient and then transfer the specific amount. If the balance is insufficient, so it revert with an insufficient balance error and emit a withdraw event. After that there is a vote function. So basically this vote function allows users to cast a vote for a candidate. It ensures that each user can vote once and update the vote count for specific candidate, which emitting a vote casted event. After that there is a get vote function. So this vote function returns the total number of votes received by the specific candidate. After that there is a take loan function. So this take loan function allows user to take a loan. It checks that the loan amount is positive and that sufficient amount are available in the contract. It calculates the interest and update the loan mapping and reduce the balance, and after that transferring the loan amount to the borrower and emits a loan taken event. After that there is a repay loan function. So this function allows user to repay their loans. It checks that the user has an outstanding loan and that the repayment amount matches the loan balance, which we'll see in the later working. So upon successful repayment, it updates the loan mapping and contract balance and emits a loan repay event. So this is my index.js file. Let's move to the execution part. So firstly, we have to run some commands. Firstly, I have clone this repository. After that, this is the previous repository file. So I've made this one VotingAndFunds .sol file. So to run this, firstly I have to run this npm I in the first terminal, where I have run this in this part. After that, I have to run npx node this code inside terminal so that my node is implemented. It is now showing because I have taken and run various transactions here. After that, I have to run this this code in the third terminal so that my contract will be deployed. Yes, I have deployed it here with this name, and my two Solidity files are successfully compiled, and my contracts are deployed from this account to this account with this balance. After doing that, firstly again I have to come back to the first terminal and run this command. So after running this command, so it will compile the following codes here. I have run various run this command, and it is compiled and showing the errors. So after doing that, my local host has been created, and it is being directed to the localhost 300. Let's move to the localhost and refresh this page. Firstly, I have to connect my MetaMask wallet. Yes, it is showing the same account. This is F39FD. My account is same. So initially my account is with the 6.743 ethers. So firstly I will deposit 1 ethers to this account. One pop-up will be here. So I will confirm this transaction, and the transaction is incremented with the 1 ether. Initially it is 6.743 and now it is 7.743. So I can also withdraw 1 ether from this account. After confirming it, the transaction is again back to 6.743, and if I want to take a loan of 2.5 ethers, so I will take loan of 2.5 ethers and confirm it. Yes, the loan is taken and amount is deducted. I can also show you from here. Yes, deposit is confirmed, withdraw is confirmed, and loan taken function is confirmed. After that, if I want to repay the loan, suppose I repay with the one value, so it will give me the error by saying that repayment amount must be exactly 2.625, because I have taken the amount loan of 2.5, and after adding the interest, which is the 5%, so I have to pay 2.625. so let's enter here 2.625. Yes, the transaction will be proceed and confirm which. Yes, the transaction is proceeded, and the function is confirmed. So this is my project. Thank you.